Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and just kind of want to go over a little bit on a job. We got a great team here, I'll tell you what. This is a hardwood front porch. It's in a kind of historical area. House has a lot of history. You can see around me. So I turning too fast. I'm doing a Blair Witch video. Anyway, really nice. But this was nasty. It was dark. Had a couple coats on it. Just nothing was prepped right in between the coats. So what happens is, you get the build up, it starts peeling, it shouldn't peel, it's a mess. So it all has to be stripped and sanded. We use our DRP Stripper Plus, which really is great because it's eco-friendly. It takes off the clears like polys and varnishes really well. Doesn't always get it 100%, but no stripper does, because you'll find some dark areas and so forth. What we're trying to do is get about 80-90% off when we do strip, and the rest of it we use by brush and by sanding. So on this we use an orbital oscillating sander, 12 by 18. We use Essex Silverline when we use our sanders. We have 3 of those. We did double duty on here. We had 2 guys working at the same time with a generator. We don't use People's Electric, and this came out really good, as you can see. Get over to the sun. I mean, almost looks like brand new. Just came out really, really nice. And now we're staining today. On this particular job, what we're using is, it used to be Sickens, it's Prolux now. We're going to use the transparent matte on here. We do have some butternut we might use just to tint it a little bit, just to make it so it's a little bit richer. They want it a little darker. They didn't want it completely natural. But if you've ever used the SRD matte, it's not like everything. It's naturals are not clears. So there's a little bit of tint to it. And then I'll show you down here, we are using the same thing on the lattice. We rebuilt the lattice. They had old lattice here, but they had a nice lattice there. So on the long ones, we rebuilt those. And then we actually had some 4x8 pieces we used on the smaller pieces. But that's coming out really nice. And then we're about to hit the floor. So if you've watched our videos before, you've seen a lot of the we do a lot of these. We do a lot of hardwood porches. A lot of people walk away from them because they are a lot of work, but they're really rewarding. And you have to know how to price them. I mean, there's a lot of labor in this when you start working on these, especially if they haven't been done correctly. And then sometimes, I mean, you can see here it's different, but a lot of porches will have a wood ceiling, and I've seen those really a mess to have to take care of. So each job's going to be a little bit different, but these are, like I said, really rewarding. They're really fun. I'll show you another thing too. When you're talking about the wood and how it's laid out, it's a good thing to preface with a customer the 3 tones of hardwoods. You have a light, a medium, and a dark. And if you look real close here, you'll see a bunch of darker ones together, and then a bunch of lighter ones, a bunch of darker, couple light, and a whole bunch of darker ones. That's actually not the correct way to install this. Now, I don't want to say anything bad about the person who did it. We can come over here, we'll say it again, right to the doorway. We have all these, and we have some mediums, and we have all these darks together. You need to preface that with a customer, because you don't know if they've lived there for a while, or if they've moved in and they're doing this for the first time. But you want to make sure you mention to them about the 3 tones ahead of time, because when you put these naturals on, they're transparent. Each one's going to show up differently. If they see a bunch of dark ones together, a bunch of light ones together, they might think, oh, well, the darker wood wasn't cleaned correctly and restored correctly. That's why it's dark. The light ones need another coat. There's all kinds of comments that can be made. So knowing about hardwoods and about these porches is key to doing this type of work. So guys have done a great job here. I got a great crew. For those who don't know, we have 12 guys that are working to do a lot of this work. And most of them have been here for a while. It's nice. Get to provide for their families. I have one guy here who's been here for his 11th year. Guy here 4 years, 5 years. So that really helps in the results of the work, because they not only do they train newer people as they come in, how you doing, but they also help with the quality of the work that gets done. So it really shows up in the results. So very fortunate, great great group of guys, great group of people here working for us. So I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thanks for walking around here with me, taking a look at Hardwood front porch. We get done, we'll do another video and shoot the whole thing. We do put these pictures up as albums and stuff on our Facebook page and so forth, so you'll see on the Wizard of Wood or Deck Restoration Plus. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thanks for watching.